This is Dave. He's the HAB 500's oldest rider. And this is Odin. He's the HAB 500's youngest rider. They're both pretty experienced riders. So we decided to interview them both about the Habitat 500.
5.
Currently I'm 77. I'll be 78 when we do the virtual ride.
Spider-Man bike. It is red, blue, and black.
Well, down here I have a bike that my neighbor gave me, Eddie Merck's titanium road bike. He bought it in '97 and he gave it to me, I think it was around 2012.
Habitat. Build houses for people that don't have enough money to buy a house.
I like the idea of raising funds for the Habitat mission. I also like cycling, and I've built friendships over the years, and it's like a homecoming. When I come back to the ride, it's like a big family.
No.
Do you think 500 is a lot?
Yes.
How many miles do you think we'll bike over the summer?
30.
I would like to, I'll say that. It's getting harder every year.
In Duluth to these rocks, and in Northfield to Grandma and Grandpa's.
I live a half mile from the Neuse River Greenway, which is a 35-mile hard surface trail between the Fall River Dam and Clayton, North Carolina. So I can get on that trail and do 70 miles. So if I do that for 7 days, that should be 500 miles.
No.
Have you ever used training wheels?
No.
What bike did you have when you learned to ride your bike?
Tippy bike.
Which is also a strider.
Strider.
Normally I use my other geezers to pull me along and give me a little draft.
And there are your training wheels.
Since it won't be a group ride this year, I won't have the draft. And the draft is kind of like training wheels.
Wear my helmet.
Oh, you have to keep aware. That's the key thing, is being aware of where you are and what you're doing. And number 2 is I'm kind of an impulsive person, and sometimes I impulsively do things that aren't very smart. So I have to keep my impulsivity in check. And you know all the safety rules. They tell us the rules on the ride, and they're all good rules.
I don't know.
What would
I think
you-
they should try.
My best advice is to stand up and pedal whenever you can. My legs and everything work fine. It's my butt and my neck.
Go ahead.
Have fun on the Habitat 500.
Can you say it one more time, a little louder?
No!